In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create list boxes using Visual Basic. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the basic form so you can see what list box looks like. So we're just going to select our form one. Make sure you should always change the text in the label. So I'm going to call this list box application just to make it a bit more meaningful. And then what we're going to do today is we're going to draw a text box, a button with a text area. So first thing we need to do is select our text box option. Then we're going to draw it like so. Then beside it, we're going to have a button. And then remember, we can change the contents of this button. So I'm going to change it and call it add. So it has some meaning. The next option we're going to add is something called a list box. So you just draw it in like so. Okay, you can see like so. And then what we're going to do today is we're going to make sure that we name our text box and list box meaningful names because we're going to refer to them in the code. So the first one here, we're going to go down to the name here, and you can call it's called list box one. So we'll just get rid of that one. So it's called list box, and then we've got the top here, and then I'm going to call this add text box because I'm adding contents to it. All right, so as per usual, what we're going to do today is you double click on the button to access your code. So we'll double click on the button here. Then we need to write a bit of code saying we want to display the items that have been added into text box into the list box. So this is pretty simple. So all we do is we write list box, and then you're going to say the items in it. So any items you want to add. So I'll explain the code in a minute. And then the contents we want to add are from that add text box. .text. Okay, so let's walk through this. So basically anything in the brackets here is going to have effect on this. So our list text box, which is this here, what we're saying is any items entered into here are going to be added as a list of items in here. So what we do is we run that code, or we select F5, and then let's add some contents in there. So let's add some colors. So I'll add red, then we'll put in blue, and we'll put a couple more colors in. So this is just a simple tutorial that shows you how the contents of a text box can have an effect on other areas of your interface, such as a list box. I recommend that you play around with the extension activities as outlined inside the PDF attached to this YouTube tutorial. Otherwise, thank you for watching this tutorial.